We have just got back from the beach and it is a glorious day. So the family have asked if I can do a quick barbecue for dinner. So I'm going to get started and I'm going to throw in a few of our favorite things. So tandoori chicken is always on top of the list with a little bit of coleslaw, some lovely new herby garlic potatoes, and I am going to make a very quick fried rice to go with it. So I better start cooking. To start with the coleslaw, I have got finely chopped cabbage, and I use the cone cabbage today because it is in season right now. A lot of that. 2 grated carrots, 1 apple grated, 1 finely thinly sliced red onion, and the last thing to go is 3-4 nice chopped up green onions going as well. Add half a teaspoon of salt. You can add it to taste if you don't want that much, and then also going to sprinkle some peri salt, which is just a 1/4 teaspoon, and a little bit to taste black pepper, and then goes in a teaspoon of whole grain mustard. I'm just going to add six tablespoons of mayo goes in. Now that's quite a lot quantity, so if you're going to use half, then obviously you can half all the ingredients. And also I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of yogurt. And then I'm going to get stuck in and mix it all up. And that is very crunchy, refreshing coleslaw ready in minutes. For the marinade, I have got 4 heaped tablespoons of natural yogurt. To this I'm going to add a big chunk of grated ginger and 4 grated cloves of garlic. All of that goes in. Then goes in a teaspoon of salt because it's for a whole chicken, and 2 teaspoons of tandoori masala goes in, and really important, some oil. So you can use any oil you have, sunflower oil, but I like to use mustard oil for this. So I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of mustard oil in this, and then just mix it well. Here I have got a spatch-cooked chicken. So basically it's been cut open from this side, so it lies flat and it cooks a bit quicker than the normal chicken as well. So it's here. I'm going to make a few slashes. Just going to make a few cuts, just random anywhere, probably the fleshy bits, just so I can get some kind of marinade seeping through, which will be lovely. And there goes the marinade. Now I have only got an hour for this to marinate because I'm going to start on the barbecue soon. So, well, some time better than nothing. Something's better. So 1 hour is good enough. So I'm going to just rub it in. Now I'm going to put it back in the fridge to rest for an hour while I get the other bits ready. And I have got here 1 pack or 2 to 5 grams of paneer, and I've cut it in small pieces. And I've got 1 green pepper, 1 red pepper, and here I have got some same marinade that I use for the chicken. I've got some left. I literally saved a couple of tablespoons, and I'm just going to cover all of this in the marinade. And this is for the vegetarian version of the chicken. And now I'm going to cover and I'm going to let it rest with the chicken in the fridge, and I'm going to cook both of these together on the barbecue. I have got here 1 kilo of new potatoes, and I'm using Jersey Royal, but some really nice new potatoes. I'm going to give it a really good clean. So I've got this cleaned and filled it with cold water, and I'm going to bring it to a boil. This has come to a boil, and now I'm going to cook this for 6 to 7 minutes. And then just drain it, and I'll leave it for a little bit till our barbecue is ready. To foil, and I've divided it in 2 portions so they cook much better. And I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit of salt and also a drizzle of olive oil. Just going to rub it in. I'm going to try and make sure that it stays flat and doesn't pile up in a big mountain. And now I'm going to take this to the barbecue. And then I'm just going to kind of seal it, but keep it flat. And then take it like this. It's time to get the barbecue going. Now with this whole thing, a lovely rice will be really nice. And I want to make a very quick fried rice, but I haven't got any leftover rice in the fridge. So I'm just making some fresh rice, and then I'll make a fried rice of it. A very quick one. Okay, here. Just got a couple of tablespoons of oil, and then I'm adding 1 chopped up carrot and 2 chopped up red onions. I'm just going to cook this for 3 to 4 minutes. And then going to throw in some frozen peas and 3 to 4 green onions. And I'm going to cover this and cook for a couple of minutes so everything kind of slightly softens up. Cook on low heat for 5 minutes. Okay. Right, this is done. I'm going to add some sauces to this. So just a teaspoon of salt, a tablespoon of dark soy sauce, and a tablespoon of chili sauce. Obviously you can add it to taste. Half a teaspoon of black pepper. Mix. And then I've just freshly cooked this rice, which is really hot actually. I don't know what I was doing. So that's 1, 2, that's around 6 cups of rice. I'm just making all of it that I've cooked right now. And then a good mix and cook on high heat for a couple of minutes. This is looking fantastic and ready for our chicken. Here goes our chicken. Going to cover and cook this. I think it's time to turn it around. Just going to oil it a little bit. Just gonna cook it on this side now. And also on the side, I'm just going to place these potatoes. Look at that. I'm just going to place these peppers and paneer as well. And look, the potatoes are looking pretty good. Yeah, so these are coming out. They are looking pretty good. Like a little bit of herby butter. So I've just got some butter on here. I'm gonna put a little bit of salt, some pepper, some lemon juice, a tablespoon, and then some fresh coriander leaves. So the chopped coriander goes in, and then I've got a couple of garlic cloves that I've grated, goes in as well. And then I'm going to mix it up. Just lovely herby butter. So I'm just going to keep 1 tablespoon of this butter in the bowl here, because I've got half the pack of potatoes still coming. And then I'm going to throw these potatoes, hot potatoes, in. It's time to eat. इतना क्लोजअप नहीं, थोड़ा पीछे जा सकते हो, मेरी शक्ल भी आ सकती है, it's fine. Bye. This has turned out to be a lovely afternoon. This smells amazing. And you know, if I had lots of friends over, I would make a few more things, but for a family, for us, this is just the perfect combination. And here is the meal ready. Look at that. I am going to sit down with the family, grab myself a drink, and I'm going to thoroughly enjoy this. I do hope you're going to try. Don't forget to subscribe. The sun's shining, about to be sunset soon. And see you again very soon with another new recipe. Let me know what's your favorite thing to put on that barbecue.